Sånt kehtiö Järvenpää järvipuisto.
Yeah, today is the 28th of August 2021. Rantakatu 3, small letter B is the C. But we will also get to the A later. It shouldn't be locked through the basement.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this has 9 floors, very nice, built in early 2003, turning 20 years old in 2023. The serial number is H71588. That's these 8 milligrams. It will also be displayed in 2023.
Yeah.
Of course, I forgot to mention that this is in Järvenpää, Uusimaa, Finland. Let's try the chime. Oh, once again. I probably also finished in 2003.
Yeah.
Because I don't think it was finished in 2004. It only works downstairs.
Yeah.
Because probably it has disturbed the tenants here. It beeped.
Yeah.
It's unusual. Nobody's coming.
Jos piippaakin vain meidän vaikka on.
Yeah. But this could have been made a little bit faster.
Yeah.
Interesting beep.
Yeah.
I don't think I've heard this for Sigma before.
Yeah. Same here.
It's an uncommon feature for these fixtures.
Yeah.
But it is late Sigma because it was from 2003.
Yeah.
So it's like, but it's of course very different from Delta's beeps,
Yeah.
but from the same era, from the same time. When also Kone buttons beeped often in the modernizations.
Yeah.
So, thank you very much for watching. That's it. And we're gonna go to the sticky safe.
That's
You can also, of course, watch the sticky